Hello guys, so again guys, today we have a new Canon R10 or the EOS R10. Yan. This is the second mirrorless crop sensor camera that we have. So again, we have three boxes of Canon EOS R10 guys. First, we have the body, which is only the body. And again, this is not only just a body, it's launched with an EF adapter from EF to EOS R. So if you have EF lenses, so you can use still your EF lenses because there's a free EF adapter on this box, guys, because I think this is the pre-launch and launch offer. This is only a limited offer with an EF adapter. So again, guys, the second, we have also here the EOS R10 plus the 1845 and the other one, which is EOS R10 with the RF-S18-150. So you have two choices of which is the RF-S lens, or meaning for crop sensor lens. So again, let's first unbox the camera. So let's go. Okay guys, when we unbox the camera, this is the camera again. Yan. First, you have your electricity, tawag dito, bracket or no, it's a plug. Yan. Second, you have your LPE17 battery. LPE17 battery. The charger for LPE17 charger. Manual. It's very important that you read the manual, guys. Of course, your strap. You have already your strap. EOS R10 strap. Yeah, the EOS R10 strap. And again, another socket. Power supply socket. Again, guys, you have your adapter. The EF to RF converter. Ito siya, guys. EF to RF converter. Yeah. Ito siya. EF to RF converter. Yeah. And the last one, guys, you have already your camera. So, ito siya, ang R10. Ayan. Yan. So, this is the R. Okay, guys. So, again, this is the body of the EOS R10. Yan. And guys, I'll show you the main specs of this camera. Okay, so this is the front of the EOS RP. Again, you have your HDMI. Yan. Let's open. Okay. Okay. So you have the HDMI micro and USB-C. So you have your 3.5 mic input and for the remote. Yan. The back of this camera, guys. Ayan. So this is the button, right? The joystick. You have the joystick. Menu buttons, AF buttons, info. Ayan. Ayan. Ito, guys, lahat. So, ayan. I will put the specs on this camera on the screen, guys. Again, this is the EOS R10 camera. And again, guys, so that's it for today. Again, this is the Canon EOS R10. Yan. So, again, in the next vlog, we will try to test the camera, the photo quality, the video quality of this camera. But on this vlog, guys, we make a quick unboxing on this camera and what's availability for the kit. So again, we have two available for the kit, the 1845 and the 150 kit lens. So, yan guys. Again, if you want to check the prices of these three R10, which is the two kit and the body, you can visit our website, www.aabworld.com. So, all the Canon R10 is already available to our website. So, if you're here in GCC country, Saudi or Bahrain, you can order, I think, to our website. So, again, hanggang dito na again, flex time. I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy of W na nakabakasyon ngayon, si Brian Puntanar, si Audrey, at si Julius. At syempre, ang ating cameraman for today, si Muhammad Kalamoni. So, thank you, Muhammad Kalamoni. Again, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.